Friends, this is our English textbook. Are you got this, no? Now open the textbook on page number 10 of first lesson, that is the cactus. We are going to revise page to page, okay? All you are hearing me, no? Bibi Zainab, Karthik, Wale Siddhi, Bhore Ayush, Magdum Shreyasi, Patil Prasad, ढेरे कुणाल, राजमाने रुचा, यादव मयुरेश, देवकर ओजस, पाटिल वेदांत and Patil Shreya. All are you have to open the textbook and read the lesson after me. Okay? Now start the reading. The cactus. You have to put your finger or scale on that words which I pronounce, and after that you have to read like this. In the middle of this beautiful garden stood the ugly cactus. It had 3 stems which looked like hefty clubs. The thorns sprouted on these clubs in odd patches. Though to look at the cactus was hard and tough, but at heart it was soft, gentle and loving. He often tried talking to the other flowers. Cactus says, "I just want to be friends with you." The regal rose, the proud daisy, the arrogant sunflower and the rude chrysanthemum, they kept cribbing about how the ugly cactus was spoiling the beauty of their part of garden. Regal Rose says that, "I don't know why the gardener doesn't uproot the cactus. It looks so ugly." Lily or the flower says, "You are right, he is so ugly." Once there was a severe drought in the Rimdim. There was no water anywhere. The rivers, the ponds and even the wells starting drying. The poor gardener would trot for miles in search of water and return with a pot or two which he would give to his flowers. Soon even that stopped. The people of kingdom ran away to other cities and towns. The gardener too went away with a healthy herd. Only the flowers were left behind. Now turn the page. The cactus had plenty of water stored in its stems. As it saw the flowers wilting away, its tender heart melted. Rose, sunflower, daisy, chrysanthemum, come and drink the water stored in my stem, says the cactus. Okay. Rose, being smartest, stepped forward. "Cactus, will you give me some water, please?" The cactus was very happy. It gives its water to other flowers also. The flowers and cactus become friends. Okay. One day, the flowers hesitated looking at each other, but cactus allowed them drink the water. One day, suddenly dark clouds loomed in the sky and there was rain. Everything became normal. The people come back to the town. The gardener returned. He was surprised to see the flowers swaying gaily in the breeze. His heart leapt with joy. That gardener says, "Cactus, I know it must be you who saved their lives." Other flower says, "Yes, he saved our lives. Dear friends, we treated you," and says to cactus. Other flower says, "Dear friend, we treated you so rudely. We never even spoke to you. Yet you came to our rescue. We are all ashamed of our behavior and grateful to you for saving our lives. Sunflower says, Sunflower is right. We may have lovely look, but you have the loveliest heart. Our beauty will vanish with time, but your beauty will always be there. Okay? Students, you have to read the lesson and send me audio clip. It's very compulsory for you. Thank you.